and a warm welcome to Module 2 of our course Language Learning Through Culture and Cooking. In Module 1 we looked at 3 different types of meals that people have in the day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. They have a different meal at different times of the day: in the morning, sometimes in the afternoon, or some have a main meal in the evening. In Module 2 we will have a look at the different types of courses that people have. A language course like ours, where we learn English language through cooking, is made up of different modules, one after the other. When we talk about a meal, we can also have different courses, where one course comes after the other. On the picture, you can see a full course meal that can be made up of 5 bread rolls, a butter, soup, starter, followed by a main course and a dessert. What makes up a typical meal in your culture? Do you have different courses in one meal? This module has 7 tasks, and we will show you how to make a typical British dessert: apple crumble. What are the different courses in your culture? Do you have soup first, or maybe a different starter, a main course and/or a dessert? Are the courses in your culture the same as in the UK?